Hello there, my name is Richard. I'm one of the online business prospects. Before you go, I know you're very busy. I just want to give me a few minutes of your time. I don't want to take your time. I know you're very busy. You've got a lot of things to do. I also am very busy. I'm heading towards a meeting right now. I'm in London, capital city of the United Kingdom. I'm about to tell you something about a particular software that enables you to solve a lot of problems in real estate. The software is called Rehab Valuator software. Rehab Valuator software. It's a very powerful piece of software. In my line of job, I come across a lot of reviews. I also do a lot of reviews myself. I particularly review this particular software in my real estate online business aspect on the website, and I saw a lot of things, that I believe is going to be very, very useful in terms of enabling you to do your job, enabling you to be able to accomplish a lot of things quickly, easily. Don't mind me because I'm on the move now, so I'm just trying to find a nice, quiet spot so I can be able to speak to you about this particular software. I don't intend to take your time. I don't intend to take your time at all. What I'm trying to say is, if you are in a real estate business, if you are an investor, if you're a broker, if you're an agent, and if you are in rehab, or you are flipping houses, or you are in multi-family real estate development or condo development, you really need a peace of mind, something that will enable you to do your job properly without worrying about calculating investment and also crunching numbers and a lot of things that comes with it. This piece of software is so amazing. I tested it myself. I actually used it. It's first and foremost, it's free. You don't have to upgrade if you want, but there is a part of it that is upgradable. If you upgrade, that's really good because you have a lot of benefits that comes with the upgrade. But if you don't feel like upgrading, of course, you can still try the free version of it. It's really amazing. I tried it. It's so powerful. It's not a downloadable software. It's web-based. That means you can log in from anywhere you are, any part of the world you are, and you can actually access it from any platform, across platform. Android, tablets, iOS, Windows. As far as you have internet access, so you don't have to worry about downloading it to occupy your space in your computer or your phone or something. No, all you need is the email and login. Now, the wonderful thing about this software is that it will enable you, first of all, to find new deals as they are uploaded live, and also sell your deal. For example, if you have a condo, if you have a property you want to sell, you can easily take a picture of it, take a location, and also upload the pictures and do a powerful presentation and instantly get buyers coming to you, from all parts of the world. It's wonderful. It's called Rehab Valuator. I should have known about this software for a very long time, and I was, in fact, after using it, after trying it, I was moved to make this video because I have to bring it forth soon, because I know there's a lot of real estate agents out there, real estate investors out there who really need information, and this information can be found a lot in one piece. You don't have to be crushing number, you don't have to be hiring people to do a lot. You can just do this easily from the comfort of your office, or your home, or even on the way, just like I'm doing right now. It's a dream come true. It's a lifesaver, simple lifesaver for anybody in the real estate business. All you have to do is just click the button below, have a look at the website, have a look at the software, have a look at the presentation, and see how it works. Get a free version. Try it yourself. If you are in the real estate business, you really need this, because I know it's going to help you a lot. I'm not saying this because I want you to buy it, purchase it, and I get a commission, of course. Yes, that would be good, but that's not the most ultimate objective of my doing this particular presentation right now. No, I want to help, because I find that it's really helpful. It helps you to break your numbers. It helps you to manage a project from every part of how many, even multi-projects. It also enables you to get funding for your project. It has, imagine that, it's very powerful. Yes, the premium version will enable you to get funding just with one click of a button. Okay, let me say you're rehabbing a project now, and it costs you probably $200,000 or naira or pounds, and then you haven't got the finance to do it. You haven't got the money, but you need money. There are investors online 247. There are members. They are there. They are on investors already. They are looking for projects to buy. All you have to do is use the software promotion marketing aspect of it to prepare a kind of presentation, a PowerPoint presentation presentation with nice pictures of your project and upload them. You put your address and contact. Of course, you have to have a business to be able to log in and create your profile. With that profile, you're already marketing your project. Now, people, once it is live, what is click live? More people that are actually searching for that project will see it online as it is live, because they are going for find new deals. They will look for it and they will click on it. And once they click on it, they land on your page, and they can easily contact you via email. Any part of the world. It can be US, it can be it can be Canada, it can be UK, it can be any part of the world. As long as anybody is using that software, it is very easy to trackable, and you have all data, so many data in there that will enable you to crunch these numbers and also make a good presentation that will attract investors. Now, these investors are there. All you have to do is click on the funding aspect of it, and they will come. Or at the end of the day, your negotiation gets through, you get funding, and then you can be able to finish your project. You can even get partnership. You can even get a partner, the investor, that enable you to refinance the project and also make investment worthwhile. It is wonderful piece of software. Apart from that, you can also it's a lot of things, a lot of unbelievable, a lot of things you can do with software. You can crunch the number, you can calculate your investment, you can actually know how much the project is worth. Okay, let me say, for example, you want to buy a project, you want to buy a house, but you don't want to overpay for the house. This software enables you to know the actual cost of the house, actual value of the house before you actually pay for it. So if the house is valued, estimated value for maybe $5 million, but the actual value of the property is £3 million, you're already saving £2 million. This piece of software will enable you to know what the actual value of the project is. What it does is take the project, take the house, the details of it, and they put in the details, and in the calculation is have the actual rate, they have the estimated rate. It does this calculation. All you need to do is put your cost estimation and so on and so forth. It will break it down for you by square, and you know actually how much the property is cost before you actually invest in it. So it is a wonderful piece of software that will enable you to know the value of a house, so that you don't overpay for anything and you don't underpay for anything else. Also, it will enable you to know if you're going to make profit on this project or not before you actually invest your money, because it is vital information. Every investor is dying for such kind of information, of course, because if you're able to lay a hand on the real value of a property, and then you know the price that's been estimated in the market, and you're getting the price that you actually wanted, then you can be able to go for the project with confidence, because you know you're going to make money even before you invest. So it's a wonderful piece of software. All I'm saying is, look, if you click below, you don't have to, but if you click below, if you are really into real estate business and you really want to make a good change, save money, save time, and also increase your profitability, and also speed up your operation so that you don't pay unnecessary cost of overheads, click this button, get the free software and try it. Get the free software. It don't cost you anything, try it. But if you decide to upgrade, that's fine. But I'm doing this video, I'm not doing it because I intend to get a commission of you, or I intend to get a payment of any sort of commission. Yes, I will get commission, of course, but that is not the ultimate of this video. The ultimate of this video is to help you to improve your productivity, to improve your investment, get return quickly on investment, to get the value of your investment, and also make more money, so that you don't spend time calculating, re-estimating, analyzing. This software does everything from beginning to the end. All you have to do is pick a project and put it in there, and you can find deals anytime. As I'm speaking to you, deals have been uploaded. It's uploaded like it uses Google Geomapping, so it's live online. So it's not something you're gonna be worried about that you're gonna be doing this. No. If you've got a project, easily put it. You can use marketing to do a presentation and get investors to actually come for you and start begging you for the project. Now, if you're interested in a private money, structuring your project for a private money lending, the software will enable you to structure your project in a way you can be able to attract viable investors. In fact, they're literally begging to invest with you. This is what this does. This is what it does. So sorry I don't want to take your time much, but if you're really interested if you're in a business of real estate and you want to improve your business of real estate this year, either as an investor or as a broker or as an agent, you need this software below. It's a lifesaver. Click on this button below and watch the video. Click the button below and test. Have a look at the free version. If you decide to get a free version, that'll be really good for you. But if you decide to go for the upgrade, that'll be fantastic. But there is a lot of benefit on it, and I've talked a lot how much about today. So for now, I gotta I'll let my meeting. I gotta go. But thank you so much for your time, and I really hope you take that advantage of this information. Information matters. Information is vital. That's what I'm giving to you now. Thank you so much. I'll see you once again. Bye bye.